I'll just fix this
I'll put the new
Onkyo
relay and resistor in.
entertainment system for a colleague at work. This is the video I sent him just to let him know that it was finished.
Now's the proof in the pudding. I'm going to switch the power on. Well, that's a positive. Hasn't gone bang. There's a little bit of a click. And we have something on the screen. It's just positive. Let's see if it turns on. It does turn on. However, I'm unable to test it much further than that. I can see that all the buttons work. All the buttons seem to work, so that's positive. What about up here? We've got music. Excellent. So it all seems to work, but I can't test it electrically, musically wise, sorry, because I don't have any speakers. So I'm just presuming it's going to be good and it's ready to come back to you. And when you turn it off, you don't get the constant click. You'll get the one where it just goes into standby. And when you put it back on again, there you go. And it turns off. And then you've got that stays there, I presume, because it's in standby mode. So other than that, it's done.